Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the 2000 pixel grid. So I'm going to come in here and we're going to close out the 1000 pixel grid example that we were working on before and close out these other images as well. So let's go to File, New, or you can just do Create New. It's up to you. And we're going to go to Art and Illustration and we'll go to 2000 pixel grid. Okay, so I'm going to hit Create. And what I'm going to do is File, Save As, and we will save this. So I'll do 02 2000 pixel grid. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go to my trusty browser here, and we'll go to google.com. Okay. And let's do Yellowstone National Park. And we'll do images, and we'll do tools, size, large. Okay, so let's find one that's close to 2000 by 2000 pixels. So that's 1600 by 1000. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, there we go. That's a good one. So I'll right click on that one. We'll save the image. Okay, we'll save it to the desktop, minimize Firefox, and then I'll hit File, Open, and we'll grab that file, Control A, Control C, Control D, and then paste that in. And you can see it cuts off some of the image because our width, if you go up here and right click on pixels, is 2592, so we're 500 pixels over the width. And our height is a little short because we're only 1944. So we can adjust this to 2000. And that should, hold on a second. Hit Control T for me. Okay, there we go. So you can write in the height that you need, and then you can fill it out and it will make it work for what you're doing. And then you can make the waterfall the focal point. Right in the middle. Okay, so that's one way that you can use the pixel grid. I'm going to save this, and then we're going to go back to Firefox, and I'm going to go to google.com. Okay, and then we're going to go to Adobe Stock again, and we'll do templates, if I can spell stock correctly. There we go. We'll go to templates. And let's click on templates. And let's do Photoshop templates. Okay. So they have some great things here. Great templates. Let's see here. Let's look at Moon. So let's preview this. I'm going to right click and I'm going to save the image as, and again, we're just using this for educational purposes. So I'm going to do File, Open, and we'll select that. Moon, Bink, Moon. Okay, Control A, Control C. Whoops, that was Control X. Let me undo that. Control C. There we go. Control D. And then we'll paste it in here. Okay, and let me see here. So, all right, let me shrink this down a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now what I'll do is I'll use the marquee tool again, and we'll grab this right here. We'll Control C to copy it, and then Control X to cut. And then I'll paste it right to the bottom of the page. So you see how the white line is kind of the edge? So we'll use that as the reference point. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a chunk right here. Okay, and copy that. Okay, it won't let me because I'm not on the right layer. So I'm going to hit Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and then I'll drag that down. And then we'll move a little bit to the left. Okay, that didn't work the way I wanted it to. That's okay. And I'm going to put this underneath the... Okay, I'm not going to use that. The other thing we could do is we could just erase the background. Let's do that. So let's do that instead. So I'm going to use the marquee tool and delete that. And we'll do it up here as well. There we go. And right there. Okay, so then we got moon. So we can move that down just a hair. Let's see here. Oh, I got it. Okay, we're going to leave it right there. Okay, so I'll save that. So that's the 2000 pixel grid, and that's something, that's a way that you can add an image and then add art to it, an illustration. I highly recommend checking out Adobe Stock. There's a monthly fee for that, but they'll get you going in the right direction if you need content right away. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.